In a grand finale to its remarkable journey, the Jeep Wrangler 392 is bidding adieu with a spectacular final edition, limited to just 3,700 units worldwide. This final edition marks the pinnacle of the Wrangler's prowess, combining unparalleled power, performance, and capability. The Jeep Wrangler 392 Final Edition is powered by a formidable 6.4-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 470 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. With this powerhouse under the hood, the Wrangler 392 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a breathtaking 4.5 seconds and cover the quarter mile in just 13.0 seconds. These exhilarating performance figures are complemented by a crawl ratio of 48:1, ensuring exceptional off-road capability. Distinguishing itself from its predecessors, the 2024 Jeep Wrangler 392 Final Edition boasts unique exterior features, including Final Edition hood and front fender vent decals, as well as bronze 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels wrapped in 35-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Additionally, it comes equipped with a factory-installed 8,000-pound capacity Warn winch, Mopar triple-loop grille guard, and heavy-duty rock sliders, enhancing both its appearance and functionality. Inside the cabin, the Wrangler 392 Final Edition offers a luxurious experience, featuring black Napa leather seats with 12-way power adjustment, adorned with new Mayan gold stitching and Tupelo highlights. A special shifter medallion and swing gate plaque further emphasize the Final Edition's unique status in Wrangler's rich history. Practical additions include a Mopar fold-out swing gate table and a comprehensive Jeep 83-piece toolkit, ensuring readiness for any adventure. Built for the most demanding terrains, the Wrangler 392 Final Edition boasts a range of performance enhancements. Its 6.4-liter V8 engine is paired with a TorqueFlite 8-speed automatic transmission and Selectrac full-time active transfer case, enabling seamless power delivery and precise control. The Hydrogidia air intake system ensures optimal engine performance in all conditions, while the active dual-mode exhaust provides an exhilarating soundtrack to every journey. Production of the 2024 Jeep Wrangler 392 Rubicon Final Edition is limited globally to 3,700 units, with 3,300 allocated for the US, 300 for Canada, and 100 for the rest of the world. The US MSRP is set at $99,995, excluding $1,895 destination, and orders are now open at Jeep dealerships. Production is scheduled to commence in the second quarter at the Toledo assembly plant, ensuring enthusiasts can soon get their hands on this limited edition marvel. As the sun sets on the Jeep Wrangler 392, its legacy of unmatched performance and capability will continue to inspire enthusiasts for generations to come. With its final edition, Jeep pays homage to this iconic model, celebrating its place in automotive history while setting the stage for the next chapter of off-road adventure.